Good morning! Good morning, guys!
Good morning.
Second hike of the month. This is still an autumn hike. Nasa Gosasyo kami ngayon. Second time namin but different trail. Easier one kasi andito ang little one. So yan yung trail namin.
Ito na naman tayo. Akyat-akyat pag may time. Akyat na naman tayo sa bundok.
Are you recording?
Like that?
Yeah. I don't know if the mic caught that.
Yeah, it's a sign.
But it was quite loud. Yeah. Okay.
Ito na naman tayo. Akyat-akyat ang ginagawa. Ahuhu. Ahuhu. Iha. Okay. Yeehaw.
I think we're close to the first rock.
Bato. Let's go to bato. Wah, there's a iwa. Wakanay. There's iwa, I forgot. Cause in, what you call that? Joroiwa in. Rock.
Wait, I'm slippers. Oh. Okay. わしの番だ。うわ、ちょっと待って。バランス。ちょっとやばい。よいしょ。よいしょ。よいしょ。よし、オッケー。
Siya. Okay. Ano yung bato? Murag yan yata yung labs. Ayun yan. Yung lilampasan.
Ah, あれじゃん。
So, nilampasan natin kanina.
Silipin mo doon.
Yan.
あれじゃん。
Doon sa kabila kanina. Ito yan, daan mo yata.
Dapat madaanan natin.
Nadaanan man natin labs kanina. Ay, iba. Diyan yata oh.
Baba tayo.
Diyan oh, diyan.
Let's see it.
The rock is here. It's a big rock.
オバレイは。いた。
A big rock.
Ari-chan.
Wow. Ah, nabuak yun siya oh.
Ah, onto da.
It's cracked.
前はイラスタンド。
あ、そうなんだ。
いや、
おー
今年の5月から。
Sugoy.
That's why they...
Oh. Picture na lang ta. Sugoy.
すごいね。すごい。Hindi mo makuha ni Haris ko dito.
Sugoy. Ito yung bato na kwan. Gumalaw na siya oh. Lumambot na yung foundation niya. Nagiging kwan na siya, sedimentary. So mabigat pa siya, dinaganan ng isa yan, tinulak. So from time to time pwede na siyang kwan, bumagsak talaga kasi yan. Okay.
Wari?
Be strong enough. Hold there. Hold tight.
It's good to see you too.
Hold tight like that. Yan oh, tinatransport nila yung mga sayote, mga cabbage, punta nila sa taas.
That's where we're going.
Mga cabbage daw. Yan yung mga kan pala, sakayan, ropeway.
Mada de show.
Doon ang target namin sa taas. Mga kan pala, sakayan.
Can I balance it?
Whoa. Hey!
Oh, there's more.
Ganito po dito sa Japan. Lagi, mga bato-bato pinagpapatong-patong nila. Mga, alam mo na. Yan. At least we make a contribution. Wow! Rock again. Ay, maganda dito pala na.
だけどどうやって行くの？
Chambling. Kuchiwa kantanyo.
No, I mean that side.
Yo, it's okay. We're going to crawl.
Oh.
If we can't, we're going to crawl.
If we can crawl.
We're going to brawl.
Growl.
Brawl. Uy!
You can go through there.
Okay, I'm going to go there. Go to mama.
Oh. I don't like stairs.
Stairs. Di mo sugar na yun eh.
You did it?
I think it's there.
Let's try.
Find a way. Let's see.
A dolphin.
Oh, dolphin! Why are you there?
I do not sound like a dolphin.
Oh, city. Ne.
Yeah, I think
Sugoi. Ay.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yan tayo, akyat tayo dun. Paakyat dun.
Itsura ni Halit.
Akyat tayo pag ganun. Tapos, yan, yun ang sunod natin. Pero before tayo mag-count down, picture muna tayo.
Itsura ni Halit. Ano center lang ang gilid.
The Lamborghini because it has less seats. So that means if there's like less seats, then you should have riding the bicycle. It's only one seat.
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
So,
Whoa! 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 Wow. Wow. Wow.
Not like you. You jump up from down. Oh yeah, but yeah.
Puros mga bato.
Yan na ata yun.
Unto?
Oh, kore?
I don't know, but I don't see the dice yet.
May IC? Ah, kuri dyan
Ayan na
na?
yun.
Kuri na?
That is it, anak.
Ah, kuri dyan na yun eh.
Ilang side ka na daan?
Ito pala yung dice na sinasabi na. Ikaw naman? Okay.
Doon mo natanggalin. Pag-akyat.
Punta ako doon
Ah, sige, go.
Ito ang gamitin ko sa mamaya. Sa bato. Yan yung pinatong yung dice oh. Parang sinadya.
So where you sit at the back right?
You put it down and you put it here. So, just gonna drink and then we're good to go. Wow, very nice playground.
Silip-silip sa bato.
Like the last time we did.
Oh. Puros mga bato dito.
I'm spinning around.
Yayaman tayo dito, Tax. Nakuha mo na si Tagiyo.
Oo, send ko kay Phoebe. Okay, nakita na namin ang yung isa sa mga famous na ano dito sa Gosaisho. What's that? Jizoiwa.
Jizoyo. Ah, so ka Jizoyo.
Yeah, nandun siya. Oh. Nasaan na yun?
Meron?
There. Ay, yung tao pala yan.
Okay na, basta katabi niya.
Yan.
写真入れといた方がいい。
Okay.
Wow. Yan yung mga kuan. Pag nag-ulan dito. Wow, sugoy. Disyerto. Desierto.
My teacher will not
Wow.
ever know that what I
Well, there's nobody yet. Do I look nice?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh.
Let's go! Seven! Mas maganda tong trail na itong nadaanan namin kaysa sa last year. This is an easy trail para sa akin. Last year was quite hard. Tapos ano, ang ganda ng view. Meron silang magkaiba ang view nila. Hindi sila parehas. So, it's a good revenge hike. Yung yan kasi yung parang famous rock formation dito sa Gosaisho. Last year hindi namin siya nakita kasi ibang trail ang dinaanan namin. So ayan. Let's hapla. Hindi ko alam kung malapit na kami, basta let's just keep going.
Oh, malapit na dyan yung tuktok. Number 6. Puros mga bato. Ah. Oh, sugoy. Wow. Sugoy medyo. Uhuy. Amoy.
There's a lot of iwas. Joroi.
Joroiwa.
Ubare.
Puros mga bato. Meron tayo target natin sa taas. Yan, pababa, mag-group way na lang tayo. Yan, konti pa. Konti pa, Jong! Hindi pa makarating na tayo sa tip. Summit. Sumimasen. Bisho. Okay. Nang galing. Na sila naman medyo mahirap ito pagbaba. Nauna tayo para at least mag-alalay. Hindi siya basta-basta dito pag nag-ulan, madulas. Pero meron mang mga chain dyan, no? Pwedeng maghawak. There's a chain there. If you need to hold, just hold the chain. Kaya pag
Ito ba tama ba?
ari ka. Okay ka pa, Chan? Yosh.
This is what I do.
Look what Mama's doing, then hold the chain. So. Uy.
Anong meron dito?
Ha?
It's my suito, I guess.
Diyan. Ganyan, baliktad. Yan. Then hold the chain. Tapos may chain dito sa kabila. Hold the chain So back. So doko di mo yo, just back it. Bikiro nara.
Can turn around and go backwards. The chain should be on the middle.
Then after that.
Right leg is here. Yeah. Yuki.
So
Don't be scared to step a bit wide.
a little bit step. So hold the chain.
And then here. Or here. Yeah. And then here stay.
No, put force your feet.
So, then reach out your face. Ayan.
Okay.
Then you can turn around.
Turo tayo kay yung kasama natin muna. Hanggang makuha. Mahirap talaga ito yung kasama namin. Hindi mo diktan eh. Oh, dikta. Sugay. Umi dito.
Good job, honey.
Good job. Okay, that's the last one. Okay. Woohoo.
go, Yobo.
Ah, kulit ka. Huh.
Are you coming here?
No. Cha. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Good job. Yeah. Yeah. Kita tayo dito. Nang dalawa. Oh, I see you. I see you. The orangey. The orangey is here.
Whoa, hirapetto.
Gabi, ay. Akyat-akyat lang sa bato.
Just a city. You wanna see?
Hi, Cern.
Just a city.
Dalo. First Battalion.
My new highest. I guess, maybe.
990.
New highest.
Okay.
Because this is like 1,100 plus and we're very, very close.
Ah, Mada, Mada.
We're almost reaching
Yes.
the campsite that we went. Yep. Mama, look that rock.
Oh,
重なってる.
so 990, number 7. Okay.
Ang ganda.
Oh, wow. That's a city. City proper. Oh, dyan. Makita namin dito yung ano, Lake Biwa. Dun.
横
Oh, ano dyan?
見えるんだ。
Miro yo.
今何県
Miken. Dati this one may hagdanan. Wow. Yes. Woo. Oh. Wow. Yes. Go there. Wait me there. To the safest point there. Going there. So.
Good job.
Wait for.
Tama man ang size sa hawak.
Bakit kaya ano? Yung isa di ba mas kwan yun?
Okay lang ko sa isa.
Bakit kaya yan no? So.
That's how it goes. Right there. Okay po. Tumo.
So.
Suderu.
Okay. Okay. Michu. Stone rock. Ah! Wow.
Okay, rest.
Woo. Oh, that's that one. The station there. Goy.
Yay!
Yay!
Ichan, where are you?
Yay!
Wala pa kami nakarating pero konti na lang, konting-konti na. Nag-stop lang kami kasi ang ganda-ganda-ganda ng view talaga. Yan. Ganda. And my Holly's doing so great. Yay! And Papay also. Ang ganda.
Ito namin ngayon puros mga rock.
Okay.
Mga rock formation. Malamig na dito sa taas. Yun yung gidaanan natin noon lang. So, doon kami nagdaan actually nung una dito. Diyan sa baba. Ibang ruta.
This one.
Puntang doon, paakyat doon sa may yun o may tao doon. Tapos pupunta dyan ba na dyan. Mga karpintero na ako ngayon, babae version. Yun na lang lalaki ang magkarpintero ngayon. Yan.
Why is it not the same?
So, yan.
Metal.
Yan. Aluminum yan ba? Mahal-mahal din yan.
Did the Filipinos say?
Okay.
They cut some and sell it.
We're going to sell that one. Papa will going to sell that one. Yeah. Then, finish line.
Congratulations, Holly!
Tikita.
How was it? Okay, we can go to the rock and sit there. We can have lunch there.
So,